How to create video content on Claude. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with creating video content on Claude. And a lot of people don't even realize that they can create some really amazing motion graphics with Claude. Now, this is not AI generative video, so if you're thinking of something like Google's VO3 or Kling or Higgsfield, that is not what you're going to get. Claude allows you to install a tool called Remotion, and Remotion creates some amazing graphics for you. So if you're someone that's looking to generate graphics, then this is going to be a great tool for you. So first off, you're going to just open up Claude like you normally would. I have the Claude desktop application. Ideally, you do want the desktop application and you do want at least the Pro plan on Claude because you need to use Claude Code for this. So once you open up Claude, you're going to click on Claude Code over here, and then you're going to choose the folder that you want to work in. I like to work on my desktop, so I'm just going to select my desktop first. After that, you're going to put in a very basic, very simple prompt. It's not hard at all. It is super simple. Just type in how, or you're going to just type in install the Remotion video generating tool. Or instead of video generating, you can even write motion graphic generating tool. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you a couple of follow-up questions, and it's going to do the entire thing for you. It might give you some prerequisites that you need to fulfill. And you guys can see it's just giving me the command that it wants to run this specific command. I'm going to allow it, and then you're just going to wait. You're going to allow all the permissions, and sometimes if you don't have React or a certain coding tool, then you might have to download that. And then after that, you're going to proceed. So you guys can see what you want to do and what directly it is asking me what Remotion template I want to get started with. So I'm just going to proceed with blank. And then after that, it's going to just wait a couple of seconds and it's going to fulfill all the requirements. It's going to check if everything is working. It handles everything for you. You don't need to do anything at all to install Remotion. Just make sure that you have the Claude desktop application and you are subscribed to a Pro plan on Claude. Now, once you've done that, it's time to move on into the next step. I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds and let everything be completed. Once everything is completed, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to proceed with asking it to create a simple video of, "Hi, this is Jane," using Remotion. And this is all you need to do now. So you're just going to prompt it to create a video using Remotion, and whatever video you want to create, you're going to ask it to do that, and it's going to do that automatically. So right now, again, a couple of permissions. When you're using a Remotion for like the first time, it is going to need a lot of permissions to get started, but after all the basics have been set up, after your first project, it's really easy to just directly have your video created. So looks like the earlier create video did partially create a project. Let me check what's there. A blank template was created. Let me read the existing files, install dependencies, build the video. So it's working. It takes a couple of seconds, but you're just going to have to wait. Usually it doesn't take too long depending on the kind of motion graphic you're generating. You can create multi-scene motion graphics, so it becomes very easy for you to build promotional videos, to build AI generated promotional videos or promos or Insta shorts or Reels, YouTube shorts. All of that becomes really easy to create. I'm just going to let it do its thing and I'll get back to you guys when it's done. So you guys can see that it is still working, but it has created, as it's working, it's even giving me preview screenshots, and the Remotion scale is loaded, the background is visible, everything is happening, the video is working. So it's giving me like a complete preview. This is what it's actually testing. Hi, this is Shane, and it has created the motion graphic video. So now going back over here, and I'm just going to let it render the entire video because it does that automatically. You don't have to do any of that as well. So now I'm going to ask it to actually create something a bit different after that, because I want to show you guys an interesting example that you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a more detailed and more complicated prompt. And you don't even need to think of the prompt yourself. You can just use AI to generate the prompt. So depending on what type of video that you want to create, let's say I want to create a promotional video for a new product launch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into chat. And then once I go into chat, I'm going to ask it to, "Hi, I want to create a prompt for a motion graphics video, or I am creating a product launch video with motion graphics. The product is a new software called Lily, which is a research assistant. Write a prompt for generating a promo video for it. And now, once I have given the chat my basic requirements, what I want, I'm going to let it work. And once it has proceeded with working, I'm just going to let it do all of those things. And then after that, I'm just going to let everything become all of this. I'm going to ask it to write a shorter version with less detail or style direction. Yeah, don't add times. I think I'm just going to go with that. And then I'm going to generate my new prompt. And then I'm just going to copy all of that. So I'm just going to copy this, then go back into Claude Code, and then I'm going to ask it to create my video. You guys can see that my previous video has been generated. And then I'm going to ask it to create a video, and then I'm just going to let it do its thing. So you guys can see it's going to read the entire prompt. I don't recommend actually adding a huge prompt. Keeping it simple with Remotion is the trick to making it work well. And you guys can see this is an ambitious project. Let me build it scene by scene, and it's building it scene by scene. So to actually show you guys the good capabilities, I'm going to create this little first section first. And you guys can see it's building the scene components in parallel, but I'm going to give it a new prompt over here. You can even go into a new session and proceed with, building different scenes at once, but it's fine to let it do its thing in parallel as well. It's pretty much the same thing as well. It's going to take the same amount of time. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, and then I'll show you guys the results. And within a couple of minutes, our video has been created. Now you guys will see that it will give you the complete output. So I'm going to simply go into my navigation panel. And once I go into my navigation panel, all I need to do is follow. So it should be ready at out. Okay, so this is going to be over here, my video out, and it should be probably somewhere around here, but I can't find the directory into the complete files. So what I'm going to do to make this even easier for me, because I don't want to find where it generated my video, I'm going to ask it to put this video on my desktop. And now I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to be put into my desktop, or it's going to give me the complete path. Yeah, so right now it's just going to take it from wherever it placed it to my desktop, and here it is. Now I'm going to open this up, and this is what my video looks like. Let's take a look. It looks pretty stunning. And right now, research reimagined. Too many sources, too little time, too much noise. And then you guys can see Lily Research Assistant, Smart Research, Auto Summarize, Insights, Source Linking. All of the animations are pretty good. It has some metrics over here as well. And just like so, it is a pretty nice video. And just like that, you can get started with creating videos using Claude Code or Claude and Remotion. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.